In order to fix Instagram DMs that are not opening, try following the steps. First of all, open your Instagram application and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. After that, close the application completely from your device and reopen it. On Android, you can also use a force stop in your device app settings. And on iPhone, you can swipe up or double tap the home button to close the Instagram. After that, check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a reliable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue resolves. You can also try updating the Instagram application. For that, go to Play Store, click on the search bar, type in Instagram, and then tap on Update instead of Open if it's available in order to update it to its latest and newest version available. Once after you do that, tap and hold the application, tap on the eye icon in the top, and then scroll down and go to Storage, and then click on Clear Cache. Be cautious with clear data as it may log you out. And visit the websites like Down Detector to see if the Instagram is experiencing global outages. You can also try logging out of your Instagram account and log back in to check if your DMs work. And then uninstall the application completely from your device and reinstall it using the Play Store or App Store according to your device. You can also temporarily disable any VPN or ad blocking services as they may interfere with Instagram. And within the app, you can go ahead, report a problem and describe your issue so Instagram support team can assist you. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.